This is one of the best working models available on the internet, working worldwide right now. So if you want to start making money from $100 to $1,000 or even $100,000 monthly, stay tuned because I'll teach you every step along the way. To give you a little bit of introduction, Clickbank is an easy and simple model to understand. Let's suppose I have an online course and I want to sell it for $100. If I want to scale my sales, it's a great idea to put this product available on Clickbank's marketplace, so anyone can affiliate to my product and get a commission for every sale they make, which can vary from 30%, 40%, 50%, and sometimes even 90%. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Clickbank account properly, how Clickbank works, how to select the best products to promote, how to track your links, and the best strategies to promote your products and start making your first sales. The first step you need to take is join clickbank.com. Then you should click in the top of the page in login or click the link in the description. Then you're gonna be redirected to this page right here. Then you should click in you can create an account here. After that, it's pretty simple. You're gonna fill out all your details. And now before we proceed and find a good product to promote and make our first sales, I wanna teach you how everything's gonna work. The first step, you're gonna join the affiliate marketplace and choose a good offer, a good product to promote. After finding your product, you're gonna create a tracking link, and this tracking link is the link you're gonna use to promote the product. So when you make your first sale like an affiliate, Clickbank can track the sales and redirect the commissions to your account. After creating your tracking link, you're gonna start promoting the product. And don't worry, in this video I'm gonna teach you the 2 best strategies for that. And once people buy the product you're promoting, clicking on your tracking link, you're gonna get paid your commission. Okay, now in your dashboard, you should click here in affiliate marketplace. This is the place you're gonna find good products to promote. And for example, let's say I want to promote something in the health and fitness niche. And as you can see, as I scroll down this page, there are a lot of products I could promote. For example, I'm gonna click in this first product right here, which is called Java Burn. And obviously, this is a product to help you lose fat. Let's say I like this product and I wanna promote it. The average conversion of this product is $147, which means that on average, this is the amount of money you're gonna earn for every sale you make. But don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to select the best products just in a moment. But let's suppose I like this product and I wanna promote it. I'm gonna click here in promote, then I'm gonna use my affiliate nickname. I'm gonna select the landing page, which should be default. Then your link is gonna show up right here. You're gonna click here in copy and start promoting the product. And now, most importantly, how can you find good products to promote? And to do that, I really advise you that you go back to the marketplace page, you scroll down a little bit and click right here on Clickbank blog. And right here in the right section, you should find articles with the best products to promote. I'm gonna click here, for example, Clickbank top products, June 2024. And in this article, you can find the best products to promote according to the niche you wanna work with. For example, let's suppose I'm working with weight loss products. I'm gonna click right here. And here you're gonna be able to find the best products to promote in this category. And this is the best way to find good products to promote here on Clickbank. And right now, the best part of the video, I'm gonna teach you the 2 best strategies for beginners to start making their first sales without spending money. And the first strategy is definitely creating videos. With videos, you can bring value to your audience and then offer a product. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create video scripts for you. For example, I'm gonna use the prompt, create a YouTube video script with the top 10 tips to lose fat. And boom, ChatGPT is creating everything for me. And you could even copy the whole script, go to InVideo for example, and paste the script right here and click to generate a video. And done with the script that ChatGPT created for me, I used it on InVideo and it created this perfect AI video for me. So I can just click here in download the video, post it on my YouTube channel and place my affiliate link to the video description. So even if you don't want to show up in the video, this is no excuse. Nowadays, there are a lot of amazing tools to help you out. And of course, if you want to show up in the videos just like I'm doing, this also has a lot of potential. This is gonna depend on what is it that you want to do, because bringing value to your audience and offer good products is an amazing way to generate money on YouTube. And the second strategy now, and my favorite one, is creating pins on Pinterest. You can create a lot of different types of pins in few minutes and promote your products as an affiliate here on Pinterest. For example, you can create product bundles just like this one and this one. You can also create posts just like this one to bring value to your audience and then offer them a product. This one is a good pin in the side hustle niche, which is a pin that actually interests me because I am working in this niche. page. And what do all these posts have in common? Exactly, they all have links to promote something, and in your case you're gonna use your affiliate link. There's not a limit of pins you can create, and different than other social medias, your pins are gonna last forever because Pinterest is not a social media, it's a search engine mechanism. If you do a good SEO work, your pins can generate you money for a very long time. So these are the 2 strategies I'm currently using myself, and if you like it, then don't forget to click the subscribe button below, turn on the notifications so you don't lose any upcoming videos, and don't focus on a lot of strategies. These ones work perfectly fine. If you want to know more about these strategies, check out the other videos I left here in the description. In these videos I go more in depth about them, where I teach you everything step by step. Thank you so much, I hope you liked this video, and as always, much love.